Red cherries start to glow, hands moving with the rain, earth and fire in the grain, river running through the light, washing every dream alive, sunshine falling soft and gold, stories waiting to unfold. The heat rising, smoke dancing, feel the spark inside, slow turning, fire burning, bringing life tonight. Dark velvet pouring slow, liquid gold begins to flow. Warm hands, warm light, steam rising through the night. One sip, one spark, coffee waking up the heart.